Hello everyone, today I am going to show you a website called whiteboard, whiteboard. So I just searched as whiteboard.com and there are several results you can see here. So I have opened this website in another tab, and here you can find many other websites that offer the same service, which is they offer the whiteboards that you can use in our online meeting or something like that. Or if you think like you have a touch screen or smart TV and you use it in a meeting, so you can use this website to generate a whiteboard for your smart TV or screen, then use it as your requirement. So here is how it's showing the home page when you log in. Before you log in, you can create an account and log in, or otherwise you can use this free version, which is available for 24 hours and then expire. So for that you don't have to create the account, just you have to select the start whiteboard, then you can do it anyway. So here you will see that I have in incognito mode, or otherwise private mode. So otherwise you can use sign in and sign in, as this is a tutorial for you. This I use this form. So here you can find the tools, and here you can zoom in, zoom out. So I just click this, and now we have this select option, or you have the pen if you can write anything you like. Right, then you have a highlighter, you can highlight it, change color. You have a smart drawing, you can change size of the pen. Then you have eraser, you can erase all the these two. Which you can use to like select the drawing and move it as you want. So there are some other notes, you can use text, shapes, many more things. So for use every tools you have to sign in, otherwise you have this basic tool. On here you can zoom in, zoom out. Right, so you can undo and redo, you can change the color, everything is possible from this side. So I think this is enough for your understanding, and this if you doing this thing for a long time you can use sign in option, otherwise just for the daily users you can use without an account. So if you have a smart screen, this is very much helpful, and you can move screen from selecting like this. When you right click you have other options. So anyway, if you have touch screen is also be helpful. So this is all about this service, and let's meet in another video. Have a nice day.